guys.
What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to a different style, outdoor cooking. We have some brown stew on the menu, brown stew chicken, and we have some grilled lamb chops. Stay tuned. Yeah, man, so we're going to prep up the veggies them first, as eat the seasoning them and all them thing there, and then wash them off, cut up the chicken, add in the spice and them thing that we're good. So we have some sweet pepper right there, so as eat, just go and prep up the thing. Come in, make them see what go on, man. Come in. Yes, guys, so see we have one potato right there, so. We have the scotch bonnet pepper. Nice, you know? Ripe. Straight from the backyard. Some ginger, scallion, tomato, and some onion same way, yeah. So like I said, guys, me just go cut up them here first. Give them some rough slices, you know? And then we'll rinse off everything afterwards. Yeah, man. Peel up the potato. You already know the thing set, you know. Anytime me touching at the kitchen, a problem. Yeah, man. And nothing normal, is it? Come on, slice up the thing them nice and proper. You see me I say? Oh my god. Hey guys, smell it. I'm making you smell it through the camera. Oh my god. I know the smell of one there. Yeah, man. We not use too much because we want to taste the food same way, is it? Oh my god. Put that aside because we can't use the whole thing right now. It go too spicy. Drop it in, and now we're going to rinse off this, as me I say, because you want to make sure your thing them clean, nice and proper. Just a little bit, not too much. Rinse it off, you know. Yeah, man, so when I pepper seed, they run with it. Yeah, so we're going to set this aside now, cut up the chicken, season it up, and the rest is history. You see me I say? So right about now, guys, we're going to season up the chicken. As me as we have like, what is 2 pieces of chicken breast we have, you know? Because I just 2 away, you know, so we not really do much today. You know? Eat a nice little slice up and thing. Yeah, man, see there? Cut it up. And we'll give that a nice little wash same way with some lemon, you see? Lemon. The knife I got the act up right now, I'm going like it dull. I know I'm going with the knife. So like I said, guys, we have brown stew chicken, yeah, brown stew chicken we have today. And we have some lamb chops same way on the grill. And we have some fried dumpling on the side same way. It's gonna be a crazy, epic day. Oi, yeah man. When me in the kitchen, man, a crazy vibes, you know. I make me macambina. Man, what the words to this song, you know. Yeah man. Chicken on the menu. We have lamb chops on the menu, everything on the menu, fried dumpling. Yeah man. It's all good over here, guys. Alright, see there. So we go squeeze some lime on the fresh lime, add some water, rinse it off, season it up, and then drop it on the fire. We're not wasting no time. Yeah man. Forward. season blend right as well. All-purpose season mix. You know, I'm kind of mix it up before I come, you know, before I left the house, so I'm gonna drop some in night right now. Ooh. Come in, let them see what I go on. Well seasoned, you know? When I have fresh chicken. Season up the thing properly. Now we're gonna drop in some browning. See the grace browning there. Brace. Yeah man, see the grace browning there. Yeah man, Grace, give me a call. Yeah. Not too much. Not too much. Cause you don't want to be too black at the same time, too dark. Yeah, we'll add a little bit more. Cause that's still kinda light. Alright. Now we're talking. Mix it up. Then we're gonna drop in them here same way. Mix it up, mix it up. Alright, so we'll make this marinade for a little bit, you know. Get the pot and the fire ready. And then we'll drop in everything same way. Just like that. And this is gonna take about 15 minutes and we're good. You see me I say? Yeah man. Nah, put in too much in it. I was supposed to hot right now. You hear that? Yeah man, drop in everything same way, you know? Brown stew chicken, outdoor cooking, Jamaican style. So add some water to this right now. Just a little bit, not too much, just like that. And then we're going to drop in the water afterwards. We're not ready yet. Make it go on brown up a little bit first. You see me I say? Yeah man, see it there. Nice and pretty, you know. Watch there. Things smell good, you know. Smell nice. Now we're adding a little water, you know. We're not adding too much, just a little bit. Lock him down. Just like that. Make him go and simmer, you know. Yeah man, so we're going to add in some butter beans, you know. The one that's seasoned up already. Yeah man. So we'll drop it in and then mix in some sweet Thai chili sauce. Mix it up together. And then I hit that, you know. See it there? Different type of cooking them, you know, different style. Yeah man, with cooking, you know, it can get boring after a while, so you have to add in some different style tonight. Mix it up, add your own twist to it, you know. Yeah man, different type of cooking them, yeah. So I'm just put in about half buck like tonight, not the whole thing, and then we're gonna mix it up, same way again. So you see, after a few more minutes, the sauce will get nice and thick, you know. Build its own gravy. You see it? That's going right now. See it there? Watch it. All my motor run water right now. Yo, smell good. Yes guys, so we're gonna make some dumpling right now. Knead up the flour. You see it there? Getting it ready. I will go fry it up. This is supposed to can give me at least 10 small fried dumpling out of it. We're not really go crazy upon it today. Might be less, but we'll try a thing. Yeah man, knead it up proper, you know. I hit that. Yeah man, so this is what I go on right now, you know. See sauce, see the gravy there? Gravy I get thicker and thicker and thicker, you know. Richer and richer. Richer and richer and richer. You see that? Yeah man. So we'll go and make it go and dry out some of the gravy first. And then we'll take it off the fire. But the chicken cook already, you know. Chicken cook long time. But you know the thing go already. You know the thing set. I hate that. Try some. Come on. Wow. Sweet. Can't taste the scotch bonnet tonight. You know the ginger, onion, tomato, everything. All the flavors them you can taste right now. Yeah. You see the sauce right now, all of them things there infused in the sauce in the chicken same way. I tell you. Hey, Motion, could I try some of this? You see it? If you don't want to try some of this, just link me. Leave a comment, you know, and we can make that arrangement happen. Yes, me I say. Yeah man, if you live in Florida, you definitely can sample this. Yeah. Alright guys, I hate this now. Chicken ready. I don't want to dry out too much. You see it? Sauce nice and rich right now. Oh god. Scotch bonnet in a hit. Yeah man, I hit. Once you're ready for putting in the fried dumpling them, you know, the aisle ready. See it there? About 16 dumpling that, you know, me alone I eat them, you know. Just kidding guys, just kidding. Yeah, me can eat so much dumpling one time by myself. Yeah man, test the aisle. Make it go on, you see a little bubble. No man, you don't want to heat it up too much because if you make the aisle too hot now, dumpling then go burn up. You go fry it on the outside and the inside no cook. Yeah. See the fry there? Yeah man, low heat, you know. You know, fry dumpling on high heat guys. You start off high and then you drop it down low. Yeah man. So wife in the kitchen, you know. Big fried dumpling chef, you know. Yeah man. Let's say a big chef. You ready for anything? Eh? Guys, so we're gonna light up the grill right about now because I already clean up the lamb chops them and thing, and then we're gonna season it up. I already washed it off with some lime juice and them thing there. So once it's fully catch and burn off some of the fumes, then we're gonna put on the lamb chops for a few minutes. When we lamb, you don't really need to put the lamb chops well done. So, well, me personally, I like it when it's like medium, a little bit of pink in it. Just me have juicy and nice sometimes. Yeah man, I'll check on the fried dumpling. Come on. Yeah man, so the fried dumpling them can go on, about a minute left, and then should be nice and soak. Is me because you want to make sure say you cook right through, not just on the outside. See it there? The one that look like it cook. Ooh. I would pop it open, but it's too hot right now, so I'm not burn myself. Yeah, but about 30 seconds or so, and the first batch them should be ready, and we'll take it out, put in the other one them, and go on with the lamb chops same way. So we have lamb chops today, brown stew chicken, fried dumpling, Jamaican style, outdoor style. Yeah, stay tuned. Yeah man, I'm gonna add some oil to the lamb chops. Just a little bit, not much. Rub it in. And the same seasoning what we use for the chicken, for the brown stew chicken, I will add to the lamb chops. Yeah, all purpose. Yeah man. Nice little homemade all-purpose seasoning, you know? Yeah. Make sure everything well seasoned same way. See it there? Season him up. Nice and proper. See it there? Alright, I hit that. Yeah man, so guys, the fire still ablaze high right now, so we can't put on the lamb chops yet. We're gonna wait till it ease down a little bit. Yeah man, and burn off some more. Yeah, stay tuned. Wow. Nice and soft guys. Dumpling hot. Cook man, tastes like all sugar in it, you know. Sweet, Mm-mm. Yeah, man. Drop on the lamb chops them. Mm. It's a beautiful day, guys. Beautiful day. Yeah, man. Scrape off the seasoning and all that juice and the oil and everything. Drop it in it, you know? Come in closer so them can see what I go on, people. Let them see what I go on. Ooh, hot. Mm-hmm. Fire blazer now. Wicked. Yeah, man, so we go lock him down, you know? Yeah. Smoke up the plate. Lamb chops, they smell good, you know? More sample that one, you know? Well, no, the small piece. I'm gonna try the small piece because I want to cook already. Yeah, man. Yeah, man, so see it, yeah? So I go on, we have the lamb chops, them, brown stew chicken, fried dumpling. Everything plug in, nothing to plug out. That's what I go on. Yeah, man, we have some grape leaves right here and some napkin just to keep kind of holding some of the juice. Yeah, because we never bring no plates or anything like that. Yeah, so that I go on. Yeah, man, so we're going to make you know what I'm going right about now. See it, yeah? Yes, Father God, bless the food. Pray that it will be a nourishment to the body. Amen. Yeah, man, so time to dig in and enjoy this lunch right here, slash breakfast, slash kind of dinner, early dinner, you know? Yeah, man. So good.
Guys, somebody didn't bring plates.
Yes, guys, so what was, whenever they plan to carry on plates or anything, guys, this was like a last minute thing. You know, sometimes when you rush out of the house, you tend to forget certain things. You know, some of the most important things you forget. But everything good, man, you know? Bushman style, yardman style, you know? Outdoor cooking. But if you get stranded on the island, you don't have no knife, you know? No fork, no ear, no so you have to just freestyle it and eat with your hands, you know? That's how you go. Try to say lamb chops, you know? Wow. I'm tell you guys, these lamb chops are so tender. Oh. These fried dumplings, guys, are on another level. I know sugar to it, but it tastes sweet for some reason, you know? I have a couple, but it was like a few years back, but I'm gonna make some more up-to-date ones in the next coming months. Not right now, but maybe a month or two from now. This one is different, you know? Gotta have my scotch bonnet pepper. So it's gonna eye, you know. That's a problem. No, you can't waste it so much. Guys, I think I'm full. But guess what? Nothing I waste. We are carry on whatever we have left. And we have a big pot right there. See it here? Big pot of food. Can't finish all that. Still full up. So, I mean, if you watch the previous parts of the video, you already know, say, enough chicken we have in that pot. So, this is for like 10 somebody. If you want to really stretch 10 people, you can. But that's how we are doing. Outdoor cooking style. Yes, guys, this was definitely a great experience, you know, being outdoor, you know, doing something different, you know. Yeah, man, it's spring, you know, getting close to summer. So, you know, in Florida, it's always summer anyways when I live in Florida. So, you always have the opportunity to go outside and, you know, explore, do different activities and so forth. Yeah, man, so with that being said, guys, if you enjoy watching the video, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel for more amazing recipes. Peace.